賓口人忌賓口碗，賓口人忌賓口碗。
It is an idiom used to remind people not to mention someone's weakness intentionally or unintentionally, in case he feels unhappy, and think that you intentionally say such sarcastic words. I can't find any equivalent idioms in English, but let's see the examples to get more feeling. Imagine that your friend was just dumped by his girlfriend. When you have gathering with friends, you secretly remind others not to mention something to stimulate him. You can say,
佢啱啱俾女朋友飛咗，你哋喺佢面前要小心講嘢啊！賓口人忌賓口碗啊！佢啱啱俾女朋友飛咗，你哋喺佢面前要小心講嘢啊！賓口人忌賓口碗啊！
In English, it means, he was just dumped by his girlfriend. You will have to be careful to speak every single word. Please don't stimulate him. See another example.
佢啱啱俾人炒魷魚，賓口人忌賓口碗，一陣叫餸嗰陣唔好叫魷魚啦。佢啱啱俾人炒魷魚，賓口人忌賓口碗，一陣叫餸嗰陣唔好叫魷魚啦。
In English, it means, he just got fired. In order not to stimulate him, please don't order any dishes of squid when ordering. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.